A barbecue is always better when a cast of colorful characters is in attendance. We suggest bags of these Patio chips, the crunchiest characters on the block. Dark russet potatoes are partnered with punchy flavors: barbecue, dill, sea salt and vinegar, or ketchup to keep the conversation captivating. Reach in the bag and let fate decide which chip suits your character. Hi guys, welcome back to Cola Break. Today we're going to be reviewing the Trader Joe's Patio potato chips. There's 4 different types of chips in here, with each with its own distinct flavor. First is the barbecue, which is Smokin Sweet BBQ. Then there's the sea salt and vinegar. Next is homemade ketchup potato chips. And lastly is the delicious dill potato chip. And the package is really cute. It's got all these little characters as if they're out in the backyard doing a barbecue. They got little outfits and everything. Man, I hope they have them in here. I mean, they would, right? I mean, why would they do that, right? Alright, I'm going to open it up. Alright, it's the smell factor. You know what that is. It's like all of this all at once. It's just definitely it's in your face. So as a collective whole, I think the smell is overwhelming. You could smell a little ketchup, and the dill is like definitely strong. So I'm gonna pour these in, and hopefully I'll get all 4 of these flavors in here. So what I'm gonna do is attempt to eat each individual flavor and then do all at once. So I'm going to compare the bag to what I've got. So this one looks like it's the dill. Delicious dill. Now I've had dill potato chips before, and I thoroughly enjoyed them. So let's give it a little smell. Yep, dill. Yep, here we go. Wow. That's very good. It's like eating a dill pickle, but it's a potato chip. It definitely is what it says it is. Let's see what this one is. I'm not too sure what it is. This is what it looks like. Wow. I'm thinking this is the ketchup. Alright, and then this one is, I think, barbecue. That's definitely barbecue. Oh yeah, that's barbecue. It's good. So, dill, very, very good. Barbecue, very good. I don't usually like barbecue potato chips, but this one from Trader Joe's is very good. And this one looks like to be the sea salt and vinegar, I think. Yeah, that's the sea salt and vinegar. I'm not a huge fan of sea salt and vinegar, but I think these are like very well done. They got like that potato goodness. It's like more than just a chip. It's more like a life experience. Now I'm going to eat all of the flavors all at the same time. It's gonna get a little messy, so I'm gonna eat it at the same time. Here we go. So you can see all the flavors. You can see all those flavors wrapped into one. It's like a flavor explosion. Bum, 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 bum. Wow. Oh, I'm still feeling the aftershock of the explosion. Wow. Okay. So if I had to pick the favorite chip out of the four, I would choose the delicious dill first. Then would come the barbecue. Then the homemade ketchup, and then the sea salt and vinegar. The vinegar always it's like a strong, sharp flavor punch or jab in your taste buds, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I would pick this up again if they had it still. I know they rotate their flavors. If you don't have a Trader Joe's in your area, email them, see if they can come to your city, because they do listen. Tell you that one. So that was the Trader Joe's Patio potato chips. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which one would you want to try, and if you tried these chips yourself, maybe you like them. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Fist bump, guys. And of course, don't forget to share this video. It really does help. Thank you so much, and thanks for taking a color break with me.